In this video, I will be showing you how to fix the email you provided is not supported error in Chatgpt. Let's get started. Right now, I am on the main Chatgpt interface. To begin troubleshooting this issue, I'm going to open a new tab and go to the Google homepage. From here, I click on the Google Apps menu. That's the 9 dots in the top right corner, and I select Gmail. Once my inbox loads, I move over to my profile picture in the top right corner and click on it to view my account details. I carefully highlight my email address, right-click, and select Copy. I do this to ensure I have the exact correct spelling of the email associated with my account, as typos are a common cause of this error. Now I navigate back to the Chatgpt tab. Down in the bottom left corner, I click on my profile icon to open the menu, and I select Log Out. A small confirmation window pops up, and I click Log Out again to completely sign out of my current session. We just wait a moment for the page to refresh. Once I am back on the main welcome screen, I click the Login button. When the login prompt appears, instead of typing my email manually, I right-click inside the email address field and select Paste. This guarantees the email is entered perfectly. Then I click Continue. For some users, simply logging out and pasting the exact email address is enough to bypass the error and get back into your account. However, if you are still experiencing the issue, there are a few more steps we can take. Next, I'll move up to the top right corner of my Chrome browser and click the 3 vertical dots to open the browser menu. From this menu, I select Delete Browsing Data. A settings window pops up on my screen. I look at the time range drop-down menu and make sure to select All Time. With that selected, I click the blue Delete Data button. This will clear out the browser's cache and cookies, which frequently hold on to old data that causes login conflicts. Once the data is cleared, I can just close this Settings tab. Another potential cause for login errors can be conflicting browser extensions. So, I click those 3 vertical dots again, hover over Extensions, and click on Manage Extensions. This opens my extensions page. Here, I take a quick look at my installed extensions. Sometimes active VPNs, ad blockers, or specific privacy tools can interfere with ChatGPT's login process. If you notice anything suspicious, you can disable it here. Everything looks fine on my end, so I'll close this tab. If you have tried all these steps and the error still appears, the most reliable workaround is to use an incognito window. I go back to the top right corner, click the 3 vertical dots, and select New Incognito Window. Once the dark incognito window opens, I click the search bar, type in ChatGPT, and hit Enter. I click on the official ChatGPT link from the search results to open the site. When the page loads, I click Login in the top right corner. Just like before, I paste my copied email address into the field and click Continue. This time, because it recognizes the Google account flow, it takes me to a standard Google sign-in page. My email is already populated, so I just click Next. Now I carefully type in my password, and once that's entered, I click Next. We'll just give it a few seconds to process the authentication. And there we go, I am successfully logged back into Chatgpt. Using an incognito window provides a completely clean slate, bypassing any corrupted cookies or cached data that might be triggering that unsupported email error. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.